Hey, I'm Lilia and I'm in software testing for the past 21 years. And today I would like to discuss the topic how different companies are really testing. I would like to divide the companies into three main groups. The first one is the companies where the approach to the testing is very serious. The second one is there are some activities regarding testing, but not very serious approach. And the third group is there are no testing at all. Let's discuss the first group. In the first group of companies, there are typically manual and automated testers. If we are talking about the manual specialists, they are very familiar not only in the testing itself, like in test design and some IT things, but in the subject the company is specialized on, like finance, medicine or something. If we are talking about automated testers, they are typically good programmers because they should produce a good code to cover the functionality in proper way. And they are on the test coverage every day, because the requirements to the test coverage in such companies is we have to have about 20% coverage of the functionality. And the automated tests are running every day or every night or even every commit to the repository in such companies. If we will talk about the collaboration between manual and automated teams, there are typically some strict, strong rules how to communicate, how to write the test cases for the automated team, because typically the test cases for the automated team are written by the manual testers in such companies. So everything should be according to the rules. As you can see, the approach here is very serious. So what about the other companies? In the second group, typically there is a company that just grown up from a startup, for example, and the CEO decided that, okay, we are ready for some testing of our application. And they typically hire one or two specialists in testing, and the responsibility of that specialists is to cover some business cases only, and they are not paying attention to other functionalities like not a business case or negative or some scenarios that are not very important for the user. So this is the second type of companies. And what about the third type of companies where we have no testing at all? It is very interesting, guys, because of course we have some startups where we have very interesting idea and POC or MVP stage of the development of the application, but no testing, because they have no resources for it, and to be honest, there is no demand to testing because we have the MVP or POC stage of the application. And what about the other companies where we have no testing? You will be surprised probably, but in Facebook or Microsoft, we have some special guys or girls who are testers, because all the responsibilities of testing are on the programmers. Sometimes the programmers are switching to automated testing, and they are written not only the unit tests, but the functional automated test as well. And so as you can see, we have no testing as a special work, special position in such companies. You all know the Microsoft applications, the Facebook applications, and you know some gaps in the quality of that products, I think. And that's why we have no testing. But it is the approach as well, and it could be. So this is your choice to what company you want to be hired, because in the companies of the second type, where the testing is just started, it could be very interested to create the process, to do different testing activities like manual and performance, and in the future maybe automation. But in the companies of the first type, it is interesting as well, because you will see the good process, you will see some contemporary technologies and good collaboration between the team members and so on. So this is up to you. If you are interested in other aspects of QE specialization, please subscribe to our channel and watch the videos QE mentor speech. Good luck!